All right, can you see what's in my trunk? See how exciting this is? Woo! Looks like they stocked their little Debbies at the store again. So I've got a bunch of cardboard. I'm about to make some more garden. So in today's video, I've been crazy cardboard lady, and I've been putting down cardboard all weekend. It's been really fun. Today I'm going to try to cover it, and so you're going to see kind of the transformation it goes through. And I wanted to say, I'm trying to move away from, I don't know if you can see them over there, but the rugs. So that was my method, was, you know, to have the rug smother the grass and cardboard. But I'd rather move away from the rugs because just because of any chemicals that could come through the rug, and it's just not natural. I want to do it as naturally as possible. So that being said, I'm going to get back to work. Alright, well sadly, I think I'm gonna have to take a break because it is, whenever the sun comes out and I'm wearing a stupid black shirt, it gets pretty hot, so I thought I'd stop and take in this beauty right here. All the rest of the garden is done, except a couple peppers and some basil. Even the okra is pretty much done. But the flowers are still good. Little strawberry transplants down there doing good. My garden is growing every day. And by growing, I mean square footage. And that always makes me happy. So let's enjoy these butterflies. And I'm going to dump one more bucket of this. Alright, so it's a new day. And I'm just working on getting some more hay here. And getting this fully covered. So I want to take you guys with me on my little tractor out to where we kind of grow our grass really long and make it into hay. So let's go. This might be bumpy, I can't tell you for sure. So when I'm out here cutting this really tall stuff, I cut it on 5. So you can see this is out by the highway, and I've just let it go. I cut around it and so that we can access it. But I figured out that this stuff, I mean, it's basically hay. I'm no farmer, but hay is just tall grass, right? And so this kind of grass is great because it has these big pieces, which just provide better mulch in my opinion than, you know, small grass clippings, because there's just more room for air and the worms really like that. But as you can see, like, there's just tons of it. So I just grabbed my little rake, which, yes, my rake is still broken. I just haven't bought a new rake yet because this one still works. You do what you can with what you have. So I'm just gonna come over here and sweep up a little of this and fill up my little cart, and pretty soon we'll be all mulched out and beautiful, and I'll save all of this and just cut it as I need it. So free hay. And it's like 3 o'clock, and so it's probably about 95 degrees right now. Just waiting for my kids to get off the bus, and it's really not that hot. It's been worse. So I mean, look at all this. That's one scoop. Time to go get some more. All right, so I'm officially a hot mess. Got all this done and feeling pretty good about it. Pretty excited that I can get free hay, and it's looking kind of sad right now, but you know, to everything there's a season. So I'm ready to do my fall planting, but it's still so hot, so I'm just waiting. I do have the rugs bordering right here. I'd like to cover those because they look kind of funky. But anyways, yay! It's looking good. And I think that it's definitely time for a swim. Kids are home. We're gonna go enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Do what you can with what you have. Stay happy.